So, hey everyone, welcome to Tesla Talk, and in this video, I'll be walking you through the basics of an electrical schematic. Whether you're just starting out or looking to brush up on your skills, then this video will surely help you to understand the basic concepts and layout of an electrical schematic drawing. So, let's get started. A schematic is like a map which shows the flow of electricity in a circuit. It uses symbols instead of words to show how components like resistors, switches, and wires are connected. And it's a crucial tool for electrical engineers, electricians, and anyone who is working with circuits. Let's talk about the basic symbols you will generally find in a schematic. Okay, so here is a list. First is lines, then second is resistor, third capacitor, fourth one is ground, fifth is switch, and sixth is the power source. Okay, so we will talk about it one by one. Let's talk about lines. Okay, so these lines represent the wires. Okay, they are the wires which are presented by lines in a schematic. Okay, and they shows the connection between 2 points. Let's talk about the resistor. Okay, and the symbol of resistor looks like a zigzag line. And why do we use the resistor inside a circuit? Because to limit the current. The second one is the capacitor, and the symbol of capacitor looks like there are two parallel lines, and one is longer than the other. And why do we use the capacitor? To store the electrical charge or energy. So let's talk about the symbol of the ground. Okay, so it's like a line with the three lines beneath it which are getting smaller. Okay, and it shows the grounded part or the earth part of the circuit. Let's talk about the symbol of the switch, and it looks like a break in the line with a circle, and which it is showing that the circuit is in the closed or open condition. Talk about the power source symbol. Now it could be a battery or a power supply symbol. Now it looks like it is shown by a pair of lines, which is one is longer than the other, and supply could be AC or DC supply. Now that we know the basic symbols, so now let's talk about how to read the connections. When you see the two lines are crossing each other but not connected, so there will usually be no dot at the crossing. But if there is a dot and they are intersecting, then usually they are connected. It is important to follow the flow of the circuit from the power source to the various components and back to the ground. So let's see an example. Okay, so we will see how this works. Here is the basic circuit with a power source, switch, and a light bulb. Okay, and the current flows from the power source through the switch and into the light bulb. If the switch is open, the circuit breaks and the light stays off. But if it is closed, the circuit is complete and the light turns on. So here are some tips if you are new to schematics. So start with simple. Always try to start with small circuits and you just get familiar with the symbols. Okay. Then second one is follow the path. Always trace the path of the circuit from the power source to the ground. Then third one is practice. The more schematics you read, and it will become easier for you to understand the schematics. Okay. And the main advantage of schematic reading is you will be able to troubleshoot a circuit like a pro. So that's it for today. Now you know how to read an electrical schematic and you got a basic understanding of the symbols. So just start practice as soon as possible and you will be reading the schematic like a pro. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment what you want to see the next. Thank you for watching Tesla Talk, and I'll see you in the next one.